It's coming. First time recording the trains with the GoPro. Little black egg man. No, next.
Don't forget to say make sure you subscribe. Did you not say make sure you subscribe?
Here it comes. It slowed down a lot, guys. Guys, that's the first ever shaving and haircut completion I've ever got. I've only gotten horn shows, and that's the first ever one I've ever got. It is a short, guys. Man, this train is short. Guys, this train is short. Guys, this train is so short. There's the end. Guys, that is one of the most shortest trains I've ever caught. That was one of the shortest trains ever I've caught. And I don't use a train radar or anything. My dad just calls me because he works at a place that's right next to the tracks. So we catch it over here. Well, guys, we'll see you next time. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and leave a good comment for that. Bye-bye.